How to add Amazon Prime to existing accounts. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone or your computer, head over to your preferred web browser. On your browser, search for Amazon Prime Video and head over to its website. After you are in the website, you will see this kind of welcome screen. If you already have an existing account made in the Amazon Prime Video, you can sign into it. Tap on the sign in option. You can use the login credential of your existing account. Enter your email, tap on continue, and enter the password for your account. Now sign into it. As you can see, I already have the Amazon Prime account with this Gmail, but it's on a free trial version. So if you want to add Amazon Prime video watching experience, you can start your free trial, or you can simply pay for the subscription. You can subscribe to the Amazon Prime Video and enjoy watching the TV shows and movies. If you want to start the free trial, you can see this option over here. Tap on it. You can provide your payment information and you will have the free tier account for the Amazon Prime. So that's how you can easily add Amazon Prime to your existing account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.